So just like we did for the Launch Online project, we're going to start doing the social media posting now for the digitalsign.com and our Network Operations Center, which is ENS Corporate. Now, you put up a couple of pictures up here already, right, Harvey? I just can't find them here, but yeah, you put a couple of pictures up showcasing some projects we did in the past. I'm now going to be peppering Rolly with a ton of those old projects to explain all of the different digital sign installs that we've done. Okay.
I'm Jeremiah. This is Harvey.
Now, the intent is to get it to where we're showcasing the outdoor bright panels. That presentation I gave a while ago, somebody can see it at a distance, right?
Yep.
Now, we've been talking about this for a long time, right?
Yeah.
You can see it's there right on the page, this YouTube video talking about it, concept. But I don't think we've done a very good job at all marketing ourselves to the fact that it's now a reality. Make sense? Okay, so I'm going to post this every day talking about the reality of the great LED panels that we're in the market. And we're just going to post that up just like we're doing right now. Digital signage for everywhere. Understand, guys? We're going to showcase that. The starter package for digital signage. Okay, really? Okay. Thanks, Harvey.